Hello traders, in today's video I'll be giving you a couple of tips that will ensure you'll never ever blow your account. Okay, yeah, what are things that you can do that will enable you to never blow your account? Listen carefully, and before you start guys, classes are ongoing. WhatsApp me if you're interested, and if you need materials, I'm here. WhatsApp me. Now let us start. First things first, ensure you have mastered the strategy you're using. Okay, don't just get a new strategy and start using it and start to use it on your real account. That will not work. Okay, ensure you've mastered the strategy you're using. Okay, second thing, ensure you have a mentor, someone you can consult in case you have a problem, someone who can be giving you advice. Okay, so that you can be more educated pertaining this. Okay, and again, if you're interested in having me as your mentor, WhatsApp me. That thing, be in a community of other Deriv traders. All right, being in a community with other traders gives you a lot of edge. Okay, because you can be able to see what they are thinking, what they are trading, the mistakes they have learned, what they have seen in the market that you do not see, and so on. And again, in the DerivNavigatorAcademy, you have a group of over 1,000 members. WhatsApp me if you're interested. That thing. The fourth thing, listen, and this is the most important, and this is what will save your account for life. Ensure whatever market you're trading, ensure even if you incur a loss 5 times, you will be able to sustain your account. You'll be able to recover that loss. What do I mean? If you're trading over under, or let's say differs, and you incur 5 losses, ensure you can be able to sustain that account, or you can be able to recover that amount comfortably without risking your account. Okay? Because the mistake people do is that they trade markets whereby even if when they incur just 5 losses, their account is gone. And that is very wrong. So even if you're trading over under, even odd, matches and differs, higher and lower, call and put, turbos, all of them, ensure even if you incur 5 losses, you can be able to recover those 5 losses comfortably. All right, and your account will still be okay. Believe me, that tip will save you forever. So ensure whenever you're trading, ensure whatever market you're trading, even if you incur 5 losses in a row, you can be able to recover them and sustain your account. Once you do that, you will be safe in Deriv. Because most people in Deriv are not unprofitable because of strategies, because they have not mastered strategies. Some of you have mastered strategies. The problem is the capital you have. It is the one that is disadvantaging you, and it is putting you in a very weak spot. Okay? Yeah, I hope you'll implement this, guys. It is a very short video. I wanted to tell you this because I've seen a lot of people blowing accounts left, right, and center just because they don't know the hacks or the right things to do to avoid doing that. Okay? I appreciate you guys watching until then. Again, please ensure you share to anyone who you know is interested in trading. Please ensure you like and subscribe so that it reaches out to more individuals. And if you need classes, if you need bots, if you need documents, I'm here. WhatsApp me. I'll give you everything you need. Otherwise, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. Keep trading, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.